Alright, what's up everybody? Today, we're making a chicken crust pizza. Watch. Alright, so first things first, let's go over every ingredient you're gonna need for this delicious pizza. This right here is a pound of fresh ground chicken. It costs like $2.97 at Walmart. Next, the cheese. I use mozzarella cheese, regular mozzarella cheese. You can use fat-free, you can use half fat, whatever they have. Use whatever you want. It's not gonna change anything. Also up with the cheese, we're using slices of smoked provolone. Anytime you can get something that's smoked, get it because it tastes 10 times better. That is a fact. For sauces, get anything you want as long as it, I guess if it says pizza sauce. I don't really know the difference between a pizza sauce or a marinara sauce, but this one says fire roasted pizza sauce, which means it's probably gonna taste 10 times better than regular pizza sauce. Now for my toppings, for me, I'm going with the old green peppers and onions. How do you go wrong with a green pepper and onion? You don't go wrong. Next thing you're gonna need, which I didn't put on my table like an idiot, 1 clove of garlic. That's gonna be put in with our chicken crust. Obviously you're gonna need a little salt, some Italian seasoning, that's optional, but to me, it tastes 10 times better. You're gonna need some fresh cracked pepper, or if you're cheap and you have that already cracked stuff, whatever. After that, see, I was thinking I was gonna do a half pizza, half regular pizza, half buffalo chicken, because the crust is already chicken. I may as well make half of it buffalo. And instead of adding chicken on the top, the whole thing is a piece of chicken, so you win. Red Hot Frank's Red Hot buffalo. It's a little spicier than the original. Damn, super good. Ranch dressing, that's also important for sauce if you're gonna make the buffalo chicken. If you don't dip pizza in ranch dressing, you're not my friend. So that's it on the ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is preheat your oven to 425. Vegetables, always get the vegetables out of the way first because you don't have to sterilize and clean everything. If you cut up and do stuff with meats and stuff, it's gross. You gotta clean it up. I don't like that. So, since we're doing green peppers and onions, I guess I'll show you how to cut those up because I see people doing it wrong all the time. So, let me show you how to do it. What we call mise en place. Alright, next up, fresh garlic. There's a trick, okay? Take your garlic, take that nice clove, put it down, put your knife, make sure the blade is pointed, bam, that way. Smash it, look at it, it's all smashed now. Then you do just like you did, put them fingers there, right? Alright, so garlic's chopped up. Next thing we're gonna jump to, where's my bowl? Time for the chicken. All of my stuff is cut up. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna take our lean ground chicken. Get it out of here. It's all wet, gross. It's just mush now. Now you see what I'm doing here? Just touched raw chicken. I know I'm gonna touch it again, but guess what? I'm gonna go wash my hands because that's gross. Alright, we got a fresh ground chicken here. You can use ground turkey. You might even be able to use ground beef. But for this, I'm using ground chicken. Alright? So we're going to go ahead and take our garlic we just chopped up. Italian seasoning right here. I would say that's like a tablespoon of salt. A little fresh cracked black pepper. Now, this is what we gotta do right here. See this? You don't use a spoon. We don't use spoons. We use these hands. Okay? These are spoons or forks. Don't be a sissy ass. Alright, here we go. We're just gonna mix this together. Hand mix. We're hand mixing because you get more respect for your food. So just wash your hands. You're not gonna get sick by doing this. Chicken fingers. Now, once you believe that your chicken is nice and incorporated with all those seasonings and deliciousness you just put in there, wash your hands again, because look at this. It's a mess. All right, now that we got that all mixed up and delicious and smelling like raw chicken and seasonings, get yourself a cookie sheet. It's a parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, use foil. And if you don't have foil, just put it on the pan. This just helps it get cleaned up easier, and it's a lot less stuck to the pan. So if you're just gonna use this, I suggest using Pam spray or something. Lay that down flat, just like that. Stop it. Parchment paper is supposed to roll up. Take your chicken. Oh. Bam. Put that back down. Here, you gotta use your hands again. I know we just washed them. We just washed our hands. We're doing it again. All right. See this? This is frustrating. Okay? It's gonna be frustrating for you. The chicken likes to stick to your hands. So I'm gonna show you a little tip. Get yourself a little Pam baking olive oil spray or whatever spray you have. Spray your fingertips. Okay? Just a little bit. Get them nice and greased up. Then the chicken won't stick to them. Isn't that beautiful? Whoa. Alright, now, check it out. That looks like a pizza. You want to get it to be about, I don't know if I can show you, like that thin? Pizza crust thin. Think about it, because this is not going to rise. Because it's chicken. All it's going to do is solidify and become a big ass meat patty. Right? But don't think about it like a meat patty. Think about it like the best pizza you ever had. Alright, once you have it, the thickness and the size and shape and everything you want, go ahead and take this and throw it in your oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay, on 425. Keep an eye on it. All you're looking for is for it to get kind of drier looking than what it already looks like. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes, and here is the chicken crust halfway done. Right now, it should be fully cooked, but we're gonna put it back in, obviously, because we gotta put stuff on them. All right, but you can tell it doesn't stick to anything, which is good. All right, that's what you want. Look at it, it smells so good in here. First things first, we gotta sauce this thing up, all right? I'm doing half and half, so I got the half fire roasted, and then a half buffalo chicken. So let me show you how to do this. Next thing, the cheese. All right, the cheese is very important. I use slices of the provolone, like I said, because you can cover more surface area with that, and then we're gonna put more cheese on it anyway. Next, the pepperonis. These are the green peps. God, onions flying everywhere. And I like a lot of onions, so get out of my business. Bam, look at that. It's already starting to look like a pizza. Next thing, we're gonna take our shredded mozzarella, and we're just gonna sprinkle it over top. Look at that. The last thing I'm gonna do is take some more of this hot sauce, put my thumb over it, and just glaze over top. Oh yeah. There it is. Look at that. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do after we just did this, made it all amazing, put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. You're gonna see all the cheese is gonna start to melt, right? After about 10 minutes on 425, turn your broiler on high. and keep an eye on it because it's only gonna take maybe 5 minutes tops to completely melt and get golden and delicious the way that you want it done. So, hold on, is this still hot? No, we're good. We got man hands, chef hands. Put it back in your oven. All right, so we're done. Oh yeah. Oh man, it looks so good though. You can't deny how good this looks. Oh, get out of here. Look at this delicious pizza. Are you kidding me? This is delicious. This looks fantastic and it's low carb. Low carb is in, I think it might be maybe 5 carbs in the entire thing. It is nothing. There's nothing. It's all protein and good fats and stuff. Even if you don't want the fats, you just want protein, use a little fat cheese. It's amazing. Definitely let this rest for, I don't know, like 5 minutes or so. You don't want to cut it right now because that sauce is gonna go everywhere. The cheese isn't fully solidified yet. What is on my shirt? I know it smells great. You're really excited. You just made this beautiful masterpiece of a pizza. Oh my God, but wait, just give it some time. Maybe 5 minutes, okay? All right, let's see what it's all about, okay? Oh man. That's one of the good things that it's chicken is it cuts so easy because it's like a giant chicken nugget. Look at this. What? You don't tell me that doesn't look, and this is the great thing, okay? If you notice, let me get on this other camera over here. It doesn't fall apart. It's just one giant piece of chicken, right? This is crazy. Now, I don't like eating things on camera. I just don't. I don't like the sound. But because somebody complained to me the other day on one of my videos, I'm gonna do it. I guarantee if you make this pizza, your whole day has been made. Everything is great. And you don't feel as guilty because it's chicken. It's the best thing ever. It's amazing. That's all I gotta say. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Brian Skibicki. This is me showing you how to cook things that are amazing and better than what you previously thought of. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos. That's the show. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. If you guys don't eat pizza like this, you're missing out. I'll tell you what. Oh yeah. Oh, I got ranch everywhere. Look at that. All right. Exactly. It's too good.